Hello, so today I'm going to be going over the 2021 audition for the flag routine. So you're going to go over, you're going to be in flat for the starting, over in the tab, and under in the bottom cheater. And you're going to go back like this, back to flat. I'll do it from the side. You're kind of bringing the flag back behind you and bringing it back. I'm going to do it from the back. So that is what it's going to look like. And the counts for that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have the checkpoints. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So then after that, you're going to have your prayer toss. And that's 5, 6, 7, 8. And then what you're going to do, you're going to cone to the back. Right here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So once you hit 12, you're going to be doing this for only one time for third, fourth. You're going to let go on third, catch on fourth. Third, fourth. Just like that, okay? And then you're going to go, you're going to kind of like dive your bottom flag down to the side of you and go up like this. So the flag is now under your armpit. And you're going to go, and then you're going to push your top hand down and then let go. And that's like a pop toss. It's just a different way to get in it instead of doing the cone. So I'll go over that again, going this way. So 12, third, fourth. You're gonna bring the flag down and then up. And then you're gonna swing up and catch. You should be throwing on 2 and catching on 4. Now to the next part. You're gonna drop into flat, and then you're gonna just hold 5, 6, and then you're gonna turn and go 7, 8, just like a rainbow. 7, 8, just like that. And then this is where it might be tricky for some of you guys. You're gonna go 7, 8, 9, 10. You're gonna drop it. 9, 10, 11, 12. Right into the J toss preparation. 11, 12, 13, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to catch on 6. So we left off at 6. You're going to go 1, 2, cone down, 1, 2, and then you're going to cone up, 3, 4, but you're going to stop at the top, and you're going to go 5, 6 while spinning it and pushing a leg out. And then you're gonna go 7, 8. I'll go over that again because that's kind of really confusing. So you're gonna cone down, 1, 2, cone up, 3, 4, and then stop at the top. And then you're gonna go 5, 6, and then you're gonna spin it so then it will go in flat. 7, 8. You're gonna push it back up, 9, 10, to like the flag going up, and your hand is underneath the tab and over the bottom cheater. And then you're gonna do 2, so that's 10, 11, 12, and you're gonna slide your hand down when you're going into 12. So if you're kind of confused, you're gonna go 11, regrip, 12, up, then slide your hand down. Just like that. You're at 12 after you slid your hand down. And you're gonna hold 2, 12, third, fourth, and then you're gonna switch your hand, your bottom hand, and then you're gonna go 5, 6. So 12, third, fourth, 5th, 6. And hold for 1, then you're gonna do a parallel toss. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. You're gonna catch on 4. You're gonna hold 1 and then throw on 2. And then you're gonna go under, 5, 6, and then you're gonna bring it out, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're gonna bring it up, 11, 12, third, regrip, and then you're gonna swing back, 5th, 4th, 5th, under your arm, 6. All right, so now I'm just gonna go over it while counting. So you guys just do it with me until you feel comfortable. Make sure you're not just listening to my counting, you're also counting for yourself. It is very important to learn how to count while doing the flag. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Sorry, I paused a little bit. I totally forgot what I was doing. I blanked out. But yeah, I hope that helps.